All right, this review is going to be on this push-up board. I'm going to show you everything I got in the box, and I'll show you some of the stuff that I try to use every day. It definitely seems to really help me stay in somewhat of shape. It's not nothing like going to the gym, but I'm a little older now. I have a couple kids, and I don't have time to go to the gym every day, so I just try to do a few things to work my chest, a few things to work my biceps, but I really like it for push-ups because as I'm getting older, it hurts my wrist to do push-ups like this. So it works really good. You can put it in different spots here, and it tells you what you're working. I don't know how accurate that is, but to me it doesn't really matter. I know I'm definitely with this going to be working my shoulders, triceps, chest, and maybe a little tiny bit of my back. But first, before I show you how I use some of this stuff, let me show you everything that did come with it. Now, you'll get this push-up board where you can adjust the different handles. You can put them real wide, like this. You can go in real close, like this. Then you'll get like a couple of these straps here. These are to hook onto your ankles, which I don't really use, but you will get them. And this little bag is some little rubber things that you can put on the bottom in case you're gonna like put this on like tile. And you'll get little handles like these. You get 2 of these. I use these for like shoulders or bicep curls. And you get 3 different colors of these bungees, I guess, or whatever you want to call them, stretch bands. And I think they're a different weight. Not really sure. Doesn't say, but if you want it to be stronger or harder, you just put all 3 of them on. And you will get this piece. I'll show you how this little piece here works. You will put that underneath of a door. Oh, then you get this bar right here where you can use this for curls and for abs. It's going to show you some of the different exercises right on here and tell you what everything is. And then it does have a little bag if you'd want to like take it maybe on vacation with you or something, and you want to use this like in a motel room or something. I'll show you a couple things that I do. All right, you could do some close grip push-ups. Works real good to work your chest. And then you could do close grips and change how you grip. And we could go a little wider. All right, that's how the push-ups work. Now we'll keep that off. Then you can actually hook something on right here. I actually tied this one a little tighter just to try to make it so it wasn't so long. And then you can put this little pad on here. And you can stand on it like this and work your biceps if you want. However you want to go in. You want to do them both at the same time. Or you can do shoulders. Just go out. Or you can go out to the side. That hurts my shoulder. Going forward doesn't hurt my shoulder. You can even do some upright rows, which will work up here. That's some of the stuff you could do with that. Yeah, you could do a lot of them same exercises with this bar. You can take these wheels off. You just unthread this to take them off, but I don't normally do that. Let me show you how you could work your abs. Changing all this is really not that bad because it kind of gives you a little break in between doing the next exercise anyway. So I don't think that's bad. You can hook this on here. Hook this one on here. Keep that pad there like that. you can just stay on your knees to hold that there. And then you just roll out and then roll back. That works your abs. But the more bands you put on there, the easier that will be. It's kind of the opposite of all the other exercises. But that's one thing you can do there. And you can do like I talked about, since it's on there, you can do some arm curls. And you can take this little piece and it will go in behind a door. Just slide that in like that. And then you can hook these on there. Just like that. And you'll have, now with it like that, you can do different exercises like for your back and stuff. You can pull up like this. That'll work your back. Or you can even still do bicep curls. Same time if you want. And you could even maybe do some seated rows with it. And I can leave like one of these hooked onto that thing and still put my push-up bars on the board, which is kind of nice, so I don't have to keep unhooking that if I want to leave it like that. Well, I hope this review helped you out in deciding if you want this push-up board. It works really nice just to do some quick workouts just to stay in shape, or if you want to take it on vacation with you. Thanks for watching.